Imagine a cake so visually stunning that it transcends the realm of baking and enters the world of art. This isn't just a cake, it's a masterpiece, a testament to creativity, skill, and patience. Today, we dive deep into the world of cake decorating, exploring techniques that transform ordinary cakes into extraordinary works of edible art. First, turn your attention to fondant sculpting, a technique that allows for a smooth, flawless finish and endless design possibilities. Picture a cake that looks like a perfectly wrapped gift, complete with a bow. That's the magic of fondant. Begin by rolling out your fondant to a 1/4 inch thickness. Always remember to knead it well before rolling. This ensures a smooth, crack-free finish. Cover your cake, smoothing out any wrinkles or bubbles, and trim off the excess. With the basic fondant layer in place, you can now sculpt and mold additional fondant to create intricate designs, characters, or floral arrangements. Next, explore the world of piping. This technique is all about precision and patience. It involves using a piping bag filled with icing and various tips to create different shapes and textures. Picture a cake adorned with delicate lacework, elegant rosettes, or even a detailed portrait, all created with icing. The key to successful piping is consistency. Ensure your icing is the right consistency, not too thick and not too runny. Practice, 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 until your hand is steady and your lines are smooth and even. Then, there's airbrushing, a technique that takes your cake decorating to another level. With airbrushing, you can create gradients, shadows, and even intricate designs. Imagine a cake that looks like a sunset, with hues of pink, orange, and purple blending seamlessly into each other. Airbrushing requires a bit of an investment, as you will need an airbrush kit. But the results are well worth it. As with any form of art, color theory plays a significant role in cake decorating. Understand the color wheel, learn how to mix colors to achieve the desired shade, and know when to use contrasting colors for the most impactful designs. Drawing inspiration for your designs can come from anywhere. It could be a piece of fabric, a painting, a scene from nature, or even a favorite cartoon character. The only limit is your imagination. Lastly, achieving professional-looking results comes down to a few key factors. Always ensure your cake is properly cooled before decorating. Crumb coat your cake to ensure a smooth canvas. And always take the time to plan your design before you start decorating. So in summary, we have explored several advanced cake decorating techniques. Fondant sculpting, which allows for a smooth finish and endless design possibilities. Piping, a technique that requires precision and patience. Airbrushing, a method that can create gradients, shadows, and intricate designs. We also discussed the importance of color theory, finding design inspiration, and tips to achieve professional-looking results. Remember, the world of cake decorating is vast and limitless. Each cake is a blank canvas, waiting for you to transform it into a stunning work of edible art. So, go forth and create. The world is your bakery.